Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve Feb March 18 paper 1 to question 24. So let's begin. A vehicle carries a microwave transmitter that emits a microwave of constant frequency. A stationary observer has a microwave receiver. The vehicle moves directly towards the observer at a constant speed. The observer detects the microwave of frequency f naught. The vehicle then accelerates, still moving towards the observer, travels at a higher steady speed for a time and then decelerate until it stops. What is the variation in the frequency of the microwave that are detected by the observer? Okay, so this whole description is given to you so that you could predict about the frequency of the microwave detected by the receiver as compared to f naught. Okay, so when you will read the option, you will realize that the question is actually asking you in comparison to the f naught, which is the frequency detected when it is moving, when the source. So what is the source? The source is the vehicle, okay, which is emitting a microwave, which has a microwave transmitter that is emitting the microwave, and the observer is the stationary observer that has the microwave receiver. So this question actually belongs to the Doppler effect, which is from the Doppler effect, which occurs due to the movement of the source. Actually, the frequency is constant. It is not due to the change in frequency. The frequency detected to the by the receiver is not due to the change in frequency. It is actually due to the movement of the source in relative to the observer. Okay, so you must be clear about this. And one more thing, you must remember this thing, that when the source is, and the, yeah, one more thing, the observer must be stationary. Okay, and the observer must be stationary. Then only you could investigate Doppler effect at AS level. At AS level only for you, the stationary observer is stationary. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, that when the source is moving towards the observer, then the frequency increases. The frequency emitted would be lower than the frequency detected, or you could say that the frequency detected would be higher than the frequency emitted by the transmitter or whatever the source is. And when the source is moving away from the observer, then the frequency detected would be lower than the frequency emitted. So keeping this in mind, we will solve this question. Let's read the question one by one. First, I would prefer, instead of reading the question options, I would just prefer, it's just asking about the frequency. So let's check the motion of the vehicle. The vehicle then accelerates. After moving at a constant speed, it accelerates. So when the vehicle is accelerating, of course the frequency would increase because it's moving still towards the observer. So the frequency would be higher. So option A and B are wrong because they said that the frequency would fall. Actually, the frequency would rise because the car is accelerating and moving at a higher speed, and it is moving towards the observer, and then it travels at a higher steady speed, means again it travels at a constant speed, so then it remains steady. This option, I think these both options C and D seems correct. And then it says that what do you say, the vehicle decelerates. Okay, when the source is decelerating, then the case becomes opposite. While it is traveling towards the observer, the what do you say, the detected frequency would be lower than the emitted frequency. This is due to the car decelerate. Okay, so remember this thing, that during deceleration of the source, the case becomes opposite, and it becomes when the source is moving towards the observer, the frequency detected would be lower than the frequency emitted, and when it's moving away, the frequency detected would be higher than the frequency emitted. So option, then it fell to the lower frequency than f naught. So option C is the correct answer, because it says that then it returns to f naught. This is not possible because f naught is not the emitted frequency. Okay, f naught is the frequency detected when it's moving towards the observer at a steady speed. Be careful about this question. So I guess option C is the correct answer. Still, I will show you the working which is done. This is whole explanation written, and I will share the link of this presentation in the description. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, option C is the correct for its answer. Still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you may ask in the comment section below.